Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to apply for Iceland Arion Bank Savings Account online. So first we're going to go to our browser, then we're going to type in Iceland Arion Bank. So next we're going to click on the first link. Then as you can see, this is their official website. So next we're going to click on individuals, then again on savings, then again on savings account. Then as you can see, there are different accounts you guys could choose from. Depending on your preference, you guys could see its features. So then once you choose the account you want, you guys could click on open an account. So this is the page that presents. You guys need your electronic ID or your phone number to log in, as well as you can go to the Authenticator app. So they'll send you a code. You guys could insert those numbers, then click on next or login. So you guys could do it either of the two. Since the language may be different, you guys can click on settings and change the language. So this is how you create your account. You guys need an electronic ID or an authentication app. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.